Hello, I'm here for a level 2 Overbust Corset Mystery Grab Bag unveiling, unboxing. Unbelievable. So, level 2 Overbust means that it will include, I'll edit that out, no I won't, an Overbust corset, as well as another item. Now this, I'm very excited about this. I threw in a pair of skirt hikes here so you could swag up the skirt. If you don't know about that, learn about it on the internet, I guess. And this is a swagger skirt. I don't want to undo it because it's so beautiful, but a swagger skirt means that it's this fabric, but it's a beautiful A-line, and it's gathered in the back. And it's very adjustable, like truly adjustable, not one size fits all. Sorry, my ribbon's down here. Hi, I'm back. So, let me just show you what this corset looks like really quick. Now, this is from our line that we just barely came out with, so it's brand new. And because they didn't seem to be received as well as I should like, I guess they're going into the grab bags. And it's okay if I cry at night because of the rejection of the items that I lovingly crafted. It's cool. So this is actually an Aurora corset. It's based off of the design from our lovely Disney princess that inspired it, Aurora. I'm pretty sure that I had a crush on that owl that she dances with, that like saunters forward wearing the princess clothes, and the little like rabbits are wearing, like, hopping along in his boots. When I watched that as a kid, I was like, I'm really feeling that owl. Like, Prince Philip, I guess, was okay, but that owl wearing that hat, he looked good. That owl. Oh my gosh, speaking of weird crushes, I was remembering this morning, again, how much I love 80s robots, because, like, pretty sure my first crush was straight up Johnny Number 5 from the movie Short Circuit. If you haven't seen it, treat yourself to a wondrous delight. You're gonna love it. And if you don't have a crush on Johnny Number 5, that's okay, because he's mine anyway. Everyone, back off. But I was in love with that robot. I was just like, this is who I want to marry when I grow up. And then it's crazy because I didn't even know they made a second Short Circuit until way later, after I married my husband, and he was like, yeah, you like the second one too then, yeah? And I was like, a second one? No! I only had the first one on tape because it was on TV and my parents recorded it. And of course, because it was recorded off of TV, we had like a million commercials that cut into the movie really quick because whoever was recording it, probably my older brother, didn't push the pause button, or how'd you record stuff back in the day? I don't even remember. My gosh. I did a lot of it, but I don't remember very much. All right. Already looking good, man, I feel really good in this. I'm trying it on. I'm like, look at you, girlfriend. You look like Johnny Number 5 level hot. Anyway, so that robot is like my favorite robot of all time. My first crush, my one true love. My husband was, he found this website where you can hire celebrities to like leave you a recorded message on your phone. And like, the more cool the celebrity is, the more expensive there will be. And of course, there's a lot of Star Trek celebrities on there, and you can get them to record a message for you for like $100. So just so you know. But he was like, man, mine and Michelle's anniversary is coming up. I wonder what celebrity I would want to record something beautiful for her. And the only thing that he thought that I would maybe truly love is if he could find who did the robot Johnny Number 5's voice, and then he could, like, I don't know, record a marriage proposal to me or something. Or he thought it would be funny to make up some awesome pun and have the Crypt Keeper hit on me, because the guy that did the Crypt Keeper's voice was on there, which is amazing. Guys, I never watched The Crypt Keeper because, hello, super conservative household. And I was a kid when it was coming out at like HBO at night or whatever. But for this year, one of my amazing customers, I love you so much, got me a Crypt Keeper doll. And I was like, I love this Crypt Keeper doll. He's spooky because, you know, I love spooky things. And I started watching The Crypt Keeper, and it was better than I even imagined. And also scarier. I'm a weenie. Oh, P.S. I should have been talking about what I was doing while I was lacing this corset. So I always do a loose lace first, and then go through and tighten it. Satisfying. satisfying. So if I find any places where I want to tighten it up, I'll just go through, I'll pull on that little X, and then I'll just, one by one, tighten up each string. This is so gorgeous. It's a little bit of cleavage in, that's fine. It's just amazing. It feels so good. I love the straps on this. They actually have an X in the back. I just think they're so elegant. Like this is a dang good design. Wench, huzzah! Jousting, turkey legs. I'm a Renaissance wench. Good day, me lords, me ladies. See, I was Renaissance fairing. Aren't you impressed? That's amazing. So, there's what you would get. That was the most long-winded explanation of what you might get. Once again, these are mystery bags. You might get it. This is an example of a level 2 overbust. I really should have looked at the prices before I started this video. Please go to our website. If you go to thedamselcorsets.com and click on the mystery bags tab, it'll have all the information. Thanks.